of embellishing the school captain, that is Investiture Ceremony 2024-25. As we come together here for a day of creating memories, day to cherish lifelong, and a day of moment, let us put our hands together, children, and welcome the dignitaries of today's event. To start with, I welcome the chief guest of today's event, Honorable Mr. Israel Mansoori Sir, Additional SP of Anuppur. Further, I welcome Honorable guest, SDOP Sir, Shri Naveen Tiwari Sir. Respected Manager, Sister Jasmine, admiring Principal, Sister Ansi, vibrant Vice Principal, Sister Alice, Kindergarten in charge, Sister Alfie. Also, dear teachers, renowned parents, and of course, our loving children, extending a heartfelt greeting to one and all. Great leaders are not born, rather they are made. True greatness of leader lies not in their power, but in their ability to empower others. They instill in them the team, the hope for success. With these wise lines, I, Taposhri Sharma, I, Steffi, take this opportunity to welcome one and all present here in the traditional ceremony of the investiture ceremony of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School 2024-25. With all your heart, achieve with all your might. With these lines, a very good morning to one and all present here. I take the privilege to welcome you all to the most auspicious occasion of our school. Yes, the investiture ceremony of the school cabinet for the academic year 24-25. Our students standing here are on the brink of the new chapter in their life. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, rights, offers, and dignity. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of a student, and is the most prestigious ceremony in the school schedule of school events. As the students of today are the visionaries and torch bearers of tomorrow. When we develop our personalities, we develop skill, mind, and we develop a responsible human beings with leadership. Now, let's start the ceremony by lighting the lamp and promoting well-being. I request Taposhri ma'am to take it forward. This is a ceremony, dear Steffi ma'am. With these marvel lines, let's begin our dynamic program. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of mind, similarly, blessing brings in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this day a blessed one, we begin kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom and for seeking the choicest blessings from Almighty. I invite our highly regarded chief guest, Mr. Israel Mansoori Sir, along with SDOP Shri Naveen Tiwari Sir, Manager Sister Jasmine, Principal Sister Ansi, Vice Principal Sister Alice, and our kindergarten in charge Sister Alfie for lighting the ceremony as a tribute to Almighty. Performed. It is the gentle outpouring of a grateful heart filled with a supreme sense of gratitude for all the blessings received. Here we have a prayer dance by our students to invoke the omnipotent power. Let's experience the blessings of of divine.
Welcoming, we make people feel at home amongst us. To do this honors, I invite Daraksha ma'am to the podium for the speech of welcome and make the day more eventful.
Is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of our Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School, I, Daraksha, take this opportunity, and it's my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all for our investiture ceremony. We are gathered here to celebrate and acknowledge the remarkable achievements and contributions of our esteemed individuals. At this time, I am profoundly honored to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Isran Mansoori Sir, Additional SP of Anuppur District. A huge round of applause. Sir has been awarded with the President's Medal in 2023. Along with it, he also received Rustam Ji Award. He has been working for 34 years with a great success. Sir, you have been a beacon of excellence and an inspiration to many. Your commitment to this field and your relentless pursuit of achievements have set a standard for all of us to follow. We are truly privileged to have you, sir, with us today. A huge round of applause for our chief guest. I want to extend my hearty welcome to our distinguished guest, SDOP Sir, Mr. Naveen Tiwari, whose presence elevates this occasion. He has inspired many through his tireless efforts and outstanding achievements. I also want to extend my hearty welcome to the Sister Manager, Sister Jasmine, Principal Sister, Sister Ansi, Vice Principal Sister, Sister Alice, KG in charge, Sister Alfie. Your unwavering support and guidance have been the cornerstone of our school values and principles. Your dedication to nurturing the spiritual and moral growth of our students is truly commendable. I also welcome respected parents. हमारे विद्यालय की इस विशेष समारोह में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आप सभी का यहाँ उपस्थित होना हमारे लिए अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है। आपने अपने बच्चों को हमारे विद्यालय में शिक्षा प्राप्त करने का अवसर दिया और उन पर अपना विश्वास और समर्थन बनाए रखा। इसके लिए हमारा दिल से धन्यवाद। I also welcome to our esteemed teachers. Your unwavering dedication, guidance and encouragement are the pillars of strength for our students. We are deeply grateful for your tireless support. Lastly, I welcome to our loving dear students. Today is a day of immense pride and accomplishment for you. As you step in your new roles as leaders, remember that with great power comes with great responsibility. The investiture ceremony is a time-honored tradition that marks the beginning of a new journey for our students, leaders. Once again, I warmly welcome all of you to this special event. May this ceremony inspire us all to strive for excellence and to contribute positively to our school community. Thank you and God bless.
Really an inspiring one. The investiture ceremony is one of the first momentous occasions of the school, where the newly elected member of the school senate are officially vested with their power and position. So with the thundering claps and vibrant band beats, here comes our proud, dynamic, propitious Student Council of Carmel family. Now the most awaited phase and chance has arrived. Let us all unite together to rejoice the moment of witness. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Additional SP Sir, Israr Mansoori Sir, respected Sister Manager and respected Sister Principal for upholding the sachet and pinning the badges to our profound cabinet members. And Mrs. Alok and Vinita Srivastava is a good orator, a sports person and a guitarist with an NCC badge posted as the head boy of our school. Ms. Devanshi Shah posted as the head boy of the school, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kishore Kumar and Shilpa Shah, and an excellent scholar, gold medalist and Olympiad, a good singer and dancer and a philanthropist. Ayush Kumar Rajat, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jagdish and Anita Rajat, is very good artist, posted as assistant head boy. Ankita Gupta, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kamlesh Prasad, and Shashikala Gupta, got second rank in class 10 boards, kind and humble and a good orator, posted as assistant head girl. Sumi Sarkar, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ravi, and Soma Sarkar is. Please everyone, please put your hands together for this proud woman. Ankita Khargo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sanjay and Anju. Seema Khargo is a very disciplined girl. The son of Mr. and Mrs. Sanjay and Sneha Koshti secured second prize in science exhibition, silver medalist in DCL competition and posted as assistant fine arts leader.
To mold the upcoming generations, we have divided our students into 4 different houses. It's the time to welcome the selected house captains along with the vice captains, choir leader, school band leader with a thundering clap marching towards the dais. I humbly request our honorable guest, Additional Sir, Mr. Israr Mansoori, SDOP Sir, Mr. Naveen Tiwari Sir, along with Sister Manager, Sister Principal, Sister KG in charge, Sister Elfie, please come on the dais. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Shaneli and Kavita Singh, Blue House Captain Boys, Adarsh Kumar Devedi of class 10, son of Mr. and Mrs. Akhilesh and Manisha Devedi, Blue House Captain, Blue House Vice Captain Kavya Otwani of class 9, son of Mr. and Mrs. Puneet and Lakshmi Otwani. Next we have Yellow House Captain Sharon Wilson of class 12 Science, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Wilson and Elizabeth. Yellow House Vice Captain Arya Patel of class 11 Science, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ram Prakash and Kavita Patel. Yellow House Captain Vishal Kumar Mishra of class 10, son of Mr. and Mrs. Anand and Sudha Mishra. Yellow House Vice Captain Atyan Gupta of class 9.
Next we have Green House Captain Priyanji Sai of class 12 Science, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Meg Shyam and Seema Devi Sai. Green House Vice Captain Urfi Gupta. Green House Captain Vishnu Srivastava of 10th class 10, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rajiv and Saroj Srivastava, Veer and Ruki Bhash. Choir leader Shaheen Ansari of class 12, son of Ravi Jyoti Garg.
leadership knowing their duties and commitments. The newly appointed school council are going to take oath with greater respect for uplifting the fame and glory of our school, with integrity, faith and excellence, which will be administered by our principal. With great pride, I invite our principal, Sister Nancy, to administrate the oath to the leaders.
Pledge that I shall be faithful to the duties entrusted to me with a sense of sincerity and responsibility. I shall honor the faith and trust of my principal and teachers. I shall keep my school flag flying high, abiding by the rules and regulations that govern my school. I promise to work in unity and integrity for the honor of my school and for the glory of God.
Wow, what a grandeur our cabinet members are bestowed with. This is a moment of pride for all of us. Just give a huge round of applause for the charm for everyone. An anthem is a melodious representation of emotions, tribute and culture of the school. So I request one and all to please come together with pride for our school. responsibility today, inspiring and path-seeking advices are very much wanted and required. So here I call upon our Honorable SDOP Naveen Tiwari sir for his motivational words to our council members.
एडिशनल एसपी सर, सभी हमारे टीचर्स जो यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, और लास्टली हमारे जो सभी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर हैं इस इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी के लिए, और उनके पेरेंट्स। एक्चुअली मैंने भी जब स्कूलिंग करी थी तो आई वेंट थ्रू ऑल दीज प्रोसीडिंग्स। मेरी भी स्कूलिंग क्राइस्ट ज्योति स्कूल में हुई थी, वहाँ भी हमारे यहाँ प्रिंसिपल मैडम थी। हमारे यहाँ भी बट देयर वाज स्लाइट डिफरेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ नेम्स ऑफ दीज हाउसेस। इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज कलर्स द नेम्स वर नीलगिरी, हिमालय, सतपुरा, विंध्या। There were 4 groups. I used to be in Vindhya group, but instead of standing here in terms of captain and vice captain, I used to be there in front, supporting them. Because कुछ इंटरेस्ट होते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है, क्योंकि जो कैप्टन बनते हैं बेसिकली दे आर परफेक्ट इन ऑल स्ट्रीम्स। एम आई राइट? दे आर परफेक्ट इन ऑल स्ट्रीम्स। तो वो यहाँ पर हैं एंड दे डिजर्व दैट। जो सेरेमनी थी वो मैंने बहुत इन्जॉय की। आई वॉज वेरी थैंकफुल दैट आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अटेंड दिस सेरेमनी इन दिस कार्मल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, एंड आई विश नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो मुझे बुलाया जाएगा, मैं यहाँ पर आऊँगा और इस सेरेमनी में रहूँगा। If and only if I get posted in this district. मैं इस जो सेरेमनी थी इससे अलग भी कुछ कहना चाहूँगा कि सबको, क्योंकि जो सीट्स हैं वो लिमिटेड है ना। एज कैप्टन, वाइस कैप्टन, टीम मेंबर्स 1+1+4 दैट्स इट, 6 मेंबर्स होते हैं, और जो संख्या है वो ज़्यादा है, तो किसी न किसी को तो बैठना पड़ेगा, है ना। हो सकता है अभी हम वहाँ बैठे हो, कुछ दिन बाद इधर आ जाओगे। और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो अभी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं पढ़ाई में, जो टॉपर्स हैं, दे ओनली विल गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सर्व द नेशन। इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। इवन एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्कोरिंग अराउंड 60%, 70% may get this opportunity to serve the nation, to serve the public, and that is the basic agenda. अगर आप वो कर पा रहे हैं, अगर आपको ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है बाद में कि आप देश की सेवा कर पा रहे हो, तब आप उसको अपनी सफलता मानो और अपने माँ बाप की सफलता मानो। मैंने देखा है कि जो भी ऑफिसर बनते हैं या अच्छी रैंक मिलती है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो अपने स्कूल में टॉपर रहें। ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। आप एवरेज स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको बाद में लगा कि नहीं अब मुझे लाइमलाइट में आना चाहिए, आई नीड टू डू समथिंग फॉर माई पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज फॉरमोस्ट यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स। वो क्या कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, उनका कितनी मेहनत, कितना डेडिकेशन है उनका आपके लिए कि आप कुछ करो। मैं 12th तक मैंने PCM लिया, 12th स्ट्रीम मेरी फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स थी, लेकिन मुझे चूँकि इस फील्ड में आना था तो मुझे लगा कि मैं आर्ट्स में जाके कुछ अच्छा कर सकता हूँ। मेरे 12th में अच्छे मार्क्स थे तो मुझे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन मिल गया और मुझे अच्छा सब्जेक्ट मिल गया। जो मेरा सब्जेक्ट था वो एकदम स्ट्रीम से अलग था। मेरा PCM 12th तक था, लेकिन जब मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया वो मैंने इकोनॉमिक्स से किया, वो भी ऑनर्स में। तो फर्स्ट ईयर मेरे को इकोनॉमिक्स को समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन जब 6 महीने बीत गए मुझे लगा वापस रास्ता नहीं है, अब मैं बदल नहीं सकता अपनी स्ट्रीम। जो करना है अब मुझे इसी स्ट्रीम में कुछ करना है। फर्स्ट ईयर में ठीक ठाक रिजल्ट रहा, सेकेंड ईयर में थोड़ा और अपग्रेड हुआ, फिर मैं मेहनत करता रहा इकोनॉमिक्स में, कई सब्जेक्ट आए और थर्ड ईयर में ऐसा टाइम था कि मैंने टॉप किया था। उस स्थिति में जब मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था, मैंने मेहनत किया, टीचर जहाँ पढ़ाते थे उनसे एक्स्ट्रा जाता था, मैं बुक्स रीडिंग करता था। और जब मेरा पहला अटेम्प्ट आया पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का, तो मैंने उसे पहले अटेम्प्ट में क्रैक कर लिया और मैं DSP बन गया। कहने का मतलब है मुझे ये सफलता इकोनॉमिक्स ने दी, जो कि आर्ट्स है, जो कि आजकल एक कहते हैं ना कि एक अबॉर्टेड चाइल्ड जैसा माना जाता है कि अगर आप फिजिक्स ले रहे हो, केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स ले रहे हो, आप एक ब्राइट स्टूडेंट हो। आपने बोला आपका स्ट्रीम क्या है, मेरा PCM है, बोले अरे समझदार बच्चा। आपने बोला आपने क्या लिया, मैं आर्ट्स से लिया हूँ, तो बोले ये लगता है पढ़ाई में कमज़ोर होगा तब इसने आर्ट्स लिया होगा, ऐसा ही है ना? बट ऐसा नहीं है। मैं बताऊँ, आप सब इक्वल प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं, आप सब इक्वल प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं। आर्ट्स PCM सभी विषय बराबर हैं, कोई किसी से कम नहीं है। आपकी मेहनत है, आप एक स्ट्रीम में कितना अच्छा कर पाते हो, कितना आप उसमें बेटर कर पाते हो, कितना रिजल्ट अच्छा ला पाते हो, और जो आपका एम है उसके लिए उसको कितना आप सपोर्ट कर पाते हो, वही फाइनल रिजल्ट आपका तय करेगा। ये एक शुरुआत है। ये सेरेमनी आपको अच्छा फील कराएगी, आपको लीडरशिप क्वालिटी देगी कि आप कैसे लीड कर पाओगे, जो नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आपको काफ़ी मदद करेगा। तो मैं सभी को बहुत ही शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं कि आप लोग ऐसे पद पे आए हैं, इतना मेहनत करके आए हैं, इतना सपोर्ट मिला आप लोगों को। कीप डूइंग हार्ड वर्क। और लास्टली जो भी करो मन में ये सोचिए करो, इससे किसी न किसी का फ़ायदा ही होगा, इससे किसी जन सेवा ही होगी। इससे मन में सोच लो कि मैं वही काम करूँगा जिससे मेरे माँ बाप खुश होंगे, तो आप ज़रूर कहीं ना कहीं सफलता पाओगे। ये मेरा एक मूल मंत्र है। मैंने यही किया हमेशा, माँ बाप का सम्मान किया, अच्छा सोचा, पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखा, तो सब कुछ ठीक रहा। आई विश कि आप लोग को चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी। कई लोग जो कम स्कोर कर रहे होंगे वो और अच्छा कर पाएंगे, और नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे बता पाएंगे साहब मैं 60% करता था, तो आज मेरे 90% है, 85% है, तो मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ। लास्टली थैंक यू। मैं यहाँ पे सपोर्ट स्टाफ, टीचर्स, सिस्टर सभी को धन्यवाद देता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी यहाँ पे आने के लिए। और जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Myself, I request and invite respected manager, Sister Jasmine, to offer the memento to our honorable guest, Mr. Naveen Tiwari, sir.
Honored to have with us an eminent personality, Additional SP of Anuppur, Mr. Israr Mansoori sir, as a chief guest for the day. He is the epitome of dedication and determination, and the apt person to influence and pep up the leadership qualities. May I?
हेलो बच्चों, मुझे भूलना नहीं आता है ना। जैसे नवीन सर ने बताया, अभी जो आपका सम्मान हुआ, मैं जब पढ़ता था, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा हूँ, तो सबसे पीछे बैठता था, सबसे पीछे और सबसे ज़्यादा बदमाशी करता था। हमारे यहाँ के जो टॉपर थे वो टॉपर ही थे, और हम आज आप ईश्वर के आशीर्वाद से आज इतने आगे आ गए। तो इसलिए आप ये मत सोचिए, नवीन तिवारी साहब जैसा मैं बोलना नहीं जानता हूँ। शिक्षक के बिना ये दुनिया क्या, शिक्षक के बिना ये दुनिया क्या, कुछ भी नहीं, बस अंधकार यहाँ। शत नमन उन शिक्षकों को जिनके कारण रोशन सारा जहाँ। सबसे पहले समाज के निर्माता, अध्यापकों, गुरुजन, सिस्टर्स सबको प्रणाम करता हूँ, और आप सभी प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। किसी भी बच्चे का व्यक्तित्व निखारने और उसका भविष्य संवारने में स्कूल की सर्वाधिक भूमिका होती है। बच्चों के व्यक्तित्व को आकार देने में शिक्षक और अभिभावक दोनों का ही विशेष योगदान आवश्यक होता है। गौरव की बात है कि आप कॉर्नल कॉन्वेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में जिले की अग्रणी स्कूलों में अपना स्थान प्राप्त किया है और यहाँ के बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे पढ़कर निकले हैं जिन्होंने समाज में सम्मानजनक स्थान प्राप्त किया है, इस विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया है। आशा करता हूँ कि आने वाला समय में आप सभी बच्चे कुछ ना कुछ जरूर बड़ा करके बड़े ऑफिसर्स, IAS, IPS, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर्स बन करके अपने शिक्षकों और अपने अभिभावकों को गौरवान्वित करेंगे। मैं सभी के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूँ। अंत में इन पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमीन पे बैठकर कौन आसमान देखता है। नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir,
ज़्यादा
for
बोलना
your
नहीं आता बच्चों ना।
Thank you, sir, for your stimulating and captivating words. We are sure that our students thoroughly motivated by your pearls of wisdom. I request of this prestigious ceremony.
Leadership is the process keeping your vision and value before you and aligning your life with them. With these marvel lines, I call upon our newly elected and oath-taken head girl and head boy to feel proud and express yourself of this proud and magnanimous event in your life.
Respected sisters, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow students, I am Himan Srivastav, standing before you today as the head boy of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School. I am deeply honored to have been chosen for this important position, and I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who believed in me and supported me. Firstly, I promise to lead with integrity, honesty, and fairness. As the head boy, I will strive to be an exemplary role model, upholding the values of our school. I want to express my sincere gratitude to our management. Your belief in me has been a source of inspiration, and I am committed to the values and principles that our school stands for. My aim is to create a school environment where every student feels valued, respected, and encouraged. Let us work together to make this academic year a memorable and successful one. With your support, I am confident that we can overcome any challenges and celebrate many achievements. I am here to listen, to support, and to be a bridge between the student and the school administration. Your voices and concerns are important, and I will make sure that they are heard and addressed properly. I will encourage active participation in sports and extracurricular activities, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to explore their interests and talents. To my esteemed teachers, thank you for your dedication and for shaping me into a responsible individual. I promise to assist you in any way possible to maintain the high standards of our school. I would also like to thank my parents who supported me and guided me throughout this journey. In conclusion, I am deeply honored to serve as your head boy of this school, and I am confident that we can achieve great things together and continue to uphold the legacy of Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
On this momentous occasion of our investiture ceremony, it is our esteemed honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to the God Almighty for His abundant blessings and guidance. It is through His grace and mercy that we stand here today, entrusted with the responsibility of leading our school. We are grateful for the strength, wisdom, and courage He has bestowed upon us. Next, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected manager, Sister Jasmine, our school principal, Sister Nancy, our vice principal, Sister Alice, for their unwavering support and guidance. Your encouragement has always been a beacon of light, guiding us towards excellence and helping us realize our potential as a leader. We would also like to thank our chief guest, additional SP, Mr.
Israr Mansoori sir, and SDOP Naveen Tiwari sir, whose gracious presence has graced the ceremony. Your inspiring words, you have motivated us to strive harder and to uphold values of integrity, responsibility and dedication. We are deeply honored and grateful for your valuable time and for sharing your wisdom with us. A special thank goes to our sisters and teachers who have been our mentors, guiding every step of way. Your patience, knowledge and encouragement have shaped us into a leader we are today. We promise to uphold your trust and place in us and to lead by example. To our beloved parents, we express our deepest appreciation for your constant support and belief in us. Your sacrifices and love have been our driving force, and we pledge to make you proud in all endeavors. To my fellow students, thank you for your support and for entrusting us with this responsibility. We, newly elected council, promise to work with dedication and to represent your voice to the best of our abilities. Together, we will strive to make our school temple of learning. Lastly, I'd like to thank you, who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a grand success. Your hard work, dedication are truly commendable. Once again, thank you all for being here and for making this day a memorable one. Let us continue to work together, hand in hand towards a brighter future. Thank you.
Home country, and that the heart will never allow you to forget this man. Since no academic celebration is complete without national anthem of a beloved country. Let us all stand up to honor the beautiful land of India. Besides, I would like to call the choir members to lead us for the national anthem.
Please be seated, everyone. Leadership is a capacity to transmit a vision into a reality. With these jovial lines, in the month of July, we wrap up the incredible program with utmost pride. I extend my sincere gratitude to all our dignitaries for their immense presence. A special thanks to our sincere parents who became an epitome of today's event. Thank you. Now I request all the students to please make a proper line and move to your classes.